Welcome to John's Maths book. In this video, we're going to be solving multi-step equations with variables on both sides. So what do we mean by variables on both sides? Let's take a look at an example. So in our first example, we have 2x minus 6 equals 5x plus 4. As you can see, we have 2x on one side of the equal sign and a 5x on the other side of the equal sign. So we need to eliminate one of these on one side of the equal sign. So for this example, let's eliminate the 5x on the right hand side of the equation. So to do that, we need to subtract 5x from each side. So let's do that. So we have 2x minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 5x minus 5x plus 4. So 2x minus 5x gives minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 5x minus 5x, 0, plus 4. So that just gives 4. So now let's isolate the minus 3x on the left hand side. So to do that, we need to add 6 to both sides of the equation. So that will be minus 3x minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 4 plus 6. So that will give minus 3x. So minus 6 plus 6 is 0. And that is equal to 4 plus 6 is 10. So to finally isolate the x variable, we need to divide both sides by minus 3. So let's do that. So minus 3x divided by minus 3 is equal to minus 10 divided by 3. So that minus 3 cancels out with that minus 3. So it gives x is equal to minus 3 1/3. So for example 2, let's look at 9x plus 2 equals 7x minus 1. So the first thing we do as normal is to isolate one of the x variables on one side of the equation. So let's isolate the 9x. So to do that, we need to subtract 7x from both sides of the equation. So let's first do that. So we have 9x minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 7x minus 7x minus 1. So that leaves 9x minus 7x leaves 2x plus 2 is equal to 7x minus 7x. That eliminates the x variable from the right hand side, is equal to minus 1. So now let's isolate the 2x on the left hand side. So to do that, we need to subtract 2 from both sides. So 2x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 minus 2. So that leaves 2x plus 2 minus 2 is 0, is equal to minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. So finally, to get our value of x, to solve it, we need to divide both sides by 2. So we have 2x divided by 2 is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. So the 2's cancel out on the left hand side, leaving x is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. So example number 3 is 12x minus 3 equals 5x plus 2. So let's isolate the value of x again on the left hand side. So to do that, we need to subtract 5x from both sides. So 12x minus 5x minus 3 equals 5x minus 5x plus 2. So 12x minus 5x is 7x minus 3 is equal to 5x minus 5x. That eliminates the x variable on the right hand side, is equal to 2. So let's isolate the 7x now on the left hand side of the equation. So to do that, we need to add 3 to both sides of the equation. So 7x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3. So that is 7x minus 3 plus 3, so that is 0. 7x is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. So we now need to divide both sides by 7 to isolate the x variable and solve for x. So 7x divided by 7 is equal to 5 divided by 7. So 7's cancel out, and x in this case is equal to 5 divided by 7. And for our final example, we have 9x plus 7 is equal to 3x minus 6. So let's isolate the x variable on the left-hand side of the equation again. So to do that, we need to subtract 3x from both sides. So 9x minus 3x plus 7 is equal to 3x minus 3x minus 6. So 9x minus 3x is 6x plus 7 is equal to 3x minus 3x is 0, and that is equal to minus 6. So now let's isolate the 6x on the left-hand side. So to do that, we need to subtract 7 from both sides of the equation. So 6x plus 7 minus 7 is equal to minus 6 minus 7. So writing that and simplifying it again gives 6x. So plus 7 minus 7 is 0. So 6x is equal to minus 6 minus 7 is minus 13. So now we need to isolate x and solve for x. So to do it, we need to divide both sides by 6. So 6x divided by 6 is equal to minus 13 divided by 6. So the 6's on the left-hand side cancel out, and x is equal to minus 13 divided by 6, which is minus 2 1/6. So that concludes this video on solving multi-step equations with variables on both sides. If you like these videos, then please share, like, and subscribe to the channel.